Hi everybody, this is Jerry Keysweater from Selbyville and Felton Holly Kia. Thanks for joining me on Holly Kia TV today as we take a look at this 2020 Kia Telluride. We're going to be looking at the S trim level today. The Telluride comes in 4 trims. The base model is an LX. Then we move up to the S trim level. There's an EX, and at the top of the line there is an SX trim level. This is the hottest SUV in America right now, and I'm not saying that just because it's 100 degrees in Selbyville. We cannot keep these things on the lot. That's why I'm trying to hurry up and sneak in this walk-around video before we sell it. Just like every other Kia, the Telluride comes standard with a 10-year, 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, 5-year, 60,000-mile limited bumper-to-bumper warranty, and 5 years or 60,000 miles of roadside assistance should you need it. What I want to do with you today is walk around the exterior of the car, point out the exterior features, then we'll move to the inside where I'll briefly point out the interior features for you. Let's take a look. All right, we'll start off with a nice look at the front of the car. If you look at the nose of the Telluride, you can see it also features that tiger nose styling that Kia is sort of becoming famous for across its product line. The Telluride S features auto on projection headlights with LED daytime running lights. The S trim level also comes with 20-inch alloy wheels. The wheels on the LX model start at 18 inches. Moving on up here to the side view mirrors. These are heated mirrors, so they're not going to frost up on you in the winter. And they also feature turn signal indicators. Looking over here at the door handle, you'll notice this black button. That is Kia's Smart Key technology. Allows you to have your car key in your pocket or in your purse, and you can simply press that button to unlock the driver's door as well as the passenger's door. Give you a look from this back corner of the car. Move in, get a nice look at that taillight design. And if you look down here in the bumper, you'll see these dots, which are part of Kia's blind spot detection and collision avoidance systems. Rear windshield wiper. Also comes with roof rails on the S model. Some of the Tellurides in the upper end of the trim levels feature tow packages. This one does not have a tow package. It's your S. This is a 3.8 liter V6 engine. Car comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission with Sportmatic mode. Continue walking around. We'll finish up with a nice look from this quarter of the car. Now let's go take a look at the inside. All right, folks, as we get into the car, you can see its doors very nicely trimmed out. You have your power window controls, power locks, power mirrors. Moving down here, you have the speaker. There's also a map pocket with a built-in beverage holder. Give you a nice look across the passenger compartment. Looks great with that white upholstery. Take a look across the dashboard. Just simply a beautiful SUV. Down here you can see your power seating controls with lumbar support. Right here you have your blind spot detection, Kia's lane keeping assist, which you can turn on and off, and traction control, which can also be turned on and off. Gonna move inside the car. Take a look right here. You have your audio controls along with controls for your Bluetooth telephone system. Kia logo in the center. Over here you have your cruise control. This car features a smart cruise control with stop and go technology. Allows you to keep a safe distance between yourself and the car in front of you. Take a look at the instrument display. Everything's nicely and clearly laid out. This S model features an 8-inch touchscreen. Some of the Tellurides offer a 10-inch touchscreen. You have AM, FM, MP3, as well as Sirius XM built into the radio system. If you take a look at the backup camera, get a nice picture of what's behind you, and as you turn, you get guides to help you ease into your parking space. Moving down, you can see your climate control. Also have rear climate control as well. USB charger, as well as another USB outlet here and a 12-volt power outlet. This car features heated seats. Some of the Tellurides also offer ventilated seats. Take a look at that 8-speed automatic transmission, which offers Kia's Sportmatic transmission. You simply put it in drive, then bump over to shift up and down through the 8 speeds on your own. Your cup holder in the center, little storage compartment there. Have your drive mode selector as well as 4-wheel drive lock. Features comfort, sport, smart, eco, and a snow mode. Here is the button for the stop and go technology that will actually basically turn off your car if you're stopped for a period of time and then start it right back up when you put it in drive. That's a fuel saving feature. This is your parking warning. It's a cross traffic alert system. Kia recommends that you keep it on, but you can toggle it off. You have an electronic parking brake as well as auto hold, which is going to help you maintain a vehicle's positioning if you're, let's say, stopped in traffic for an extended period of time. You can take your foot off the brake without having the car lurch forward. Have a nice storage space here. Look across the dash. Glove compartment. Continuing around to the side. Get a good look at these seats. This car also features a sunroof for the front passengers. Some of the upgraded Tellurides feature dual sunroofs. You also have your dome lighting. Still have some of the shipping plastic on here, but that's your operations for dome lighting, as well as your UVO services, which this car comes equipped with. Let's move on into the back. Moving into the back of the car, have your power window controls, speaker built into the door, as well as a pocket here for, say, reading materials and a beverage holder. Give you a nice look across. This Telluride S features captain's chairs, so it offers seating for 7 adults. One of the really neat things that makes it easy to get into the third row is you can simply press this button located here and the seats will move forward, giving you easy access to the third row. Moving on into the car, take a look down here. You can see a 12-volt charger. On the side of the driver and passengers' seats are USB inputs. This car features 5 USB inputs. Some models feature 6. Give you a look at that front space of the cabin. See how nicely laid out everything is. And you have your cup holders here for your rear occupants. Again, accessing the third row is easy as a button push. That seat slides out of the way, offering you easy access to the third row. Features cup holders as well as USB chargers on both sides. This is a 60-40 split on this rear seat, so it gives you lots of options for carrying cargo. Accessing the trunk, simply open the lift gate. Currently have the third row up, but if you want to put the third row down, simply pull on that, push it down out of your way, pull down, push the seat out of your way. And if you want to put the second row down, there's a button right here. You can push that and that moves it forward. Does the same for the right side. Back up, give you a look at the space. Very nice. Come in and take a look at the Telluride. You're gonna love it. On behalf of all of us at Felton and Selbyville Holly Kia, thanks for joining me for this walk around of the 2020 Kia Telluride. If you would like to book a test drive of your own, please give us a call. You can call our Selbyville location at 302-436-2700. You can call our Felton store at 302-527-2700 or visit us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week online at www.hollykia.com. Once again, this is Jerry Kieswetter from Holly Kia TV. Remember to click subscribe, get all of the updated videos from our YouTube channel, and thanks again. We look forward to seeing you for the next walk around.